Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Muhammad Ramadan Ajijaya, and here I want to present my presentation in critical reading. My theme is teaching English through movies, and here I have 3 journals. The first is learning English through movies, adult English language learners perception, and the second enhancing ELT through films in general foundation program, and the last is a research on using English movies to improve Chinese college students oral English. Now we go to the first journal, Learning English Through Movies, Adult English Learners Perception. The orientation, learning a new language can be a complex process which requires a huge amount of effort. Hence, watching movies considered as the effective and amusing way in teaching language. The finding, language learners believe that movies are authentic source of language learning and can be used effectively to improve students' language skills such speaking, listening, reading, vocabulary, and writing in amusing way. The conclusion, watching movies is a fun way to learn language. People can learn how to pronounce or express some words or sentences correctly. In conclusion, watching movies can enrich someone's vocabulary bank. Second, enhancing English language teaching through films in general foundation programs. Orientation, competence in learning language grows as the learners actively use the language secondary in or out of the classroom. Most of learners took an easy and cozy way in learning and teaching language. Finding involving films into education serve a variety of good results in language teaching. For example, students feel motivated and inspired to talk in English when they look some characters they like or they admire in some movies. Conclusion, adding some customs like humor in teaching is helping students in understanding language. If teacher can make any good impression in teaching, students might remember it. Furthermore, learning using films also introduce some new cultures from another country. The last is a research on using English movies to improve Chinese college students' oral English. Orientation, traditional teaching methods cannot satisfy the demand of the present English teaching. At present, the biggest problem for English learners is the lack of authentic English language environment. The finding, using movie in teaching is to provide a context for the discussion and communication of each kind of imaginative. Conclusion, using English movies in teaching is an effective teaching method which provides students with a better way in teaching English, which enables students to learn new language in real language environment and find out the cultural differences between Chinese and Western, which the movie where the movie are produced, which mostly in Western currently. And that's all from me. I'm sorry if I made some mistakes in my presentation, and thank you for your attention. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.